Go ahead. Yeah.
So as we buy one thing, new things come, and we get fascinated by it, and we want to buy it again.
Yes.
We want to buy it once more.
Yeah.
New things comes, and we want to buy.
You want to be the latest and the most updated person in the world.
Yes, and
Yeah.
we see things, we get influenced, and
Yeah.
we want that. But
Yeah.
how to control that?
Okay, so what happens is it is quite difficult to control it because it's the power of marketing, right? Every ad which is going on the TV is indirectly influencing your mind. So first is stop watching those unnecessary stuffs, right? Because for example, every time now, for example, you know the Horlicks? Now Horlicks, you have baby Horlicks, woman Horlicks, men Horlicks, old age Horlicks. 10 years ago, there was only one Horlicks. Everyone lived with that Horlicks only, right? But what happens now? Girls, no, I want girls power, girls Horlicks. Only one or two items are only changing, right? Not so many things are changing in the ingredients. But then the power of marketing is so much. Now the biggest thing is going with girl power, girl power. It is good. But what I say is the corporates, what they're trying to do is they're going to market in such a way that they're conflicting girls and boys. That is against the society. Girls have their strength, boys have their strength. They both come together is when the power really stands. But to sell more, what corporates will do, pink are for girls, blue are for boys. So girl needs a blue cover, pink cover, boy needs a blue cover. Right? Now this, you think the babies, people all get worried, oh boy, it's always you need to buy blue. There is other color, orange, that is all not there. Right? All pink and blue only. I still now don't understand why it's pink and blue. Right? But what happens is branded so much in your heads that when you see pink, girl will automatically get attached to it. So it's that marketing and branding which are being sold. So whenever you see this ad, find out, see, just twist the mind a little bit and see what they're trying to pitch here. Now you really look at the ads. Olden days ads, it was only mother, father. Now they brought children also. Children are the people advising parents. I just saw today morning the dyeing hair, Garnier's ad, where the baby is going, Mama, try this, right? Right? So what happens? The child knows, oh, I can advise my parents also. I have a choice also. I have a call also. So when you start doing that, you tend to have frustration and all that. So whenever you see ads, see it, what are they selling? Don't get influenced by them. Only then you can control your spending.
So like a new smartphone is launched or
Yes.
gadgets is launched.
Yeah.
I'm more driven towards gadgets.
Good.
So a new gadget is launched and I want to have that.
Yeah.
But I have already bought it.
Yes.
Few months prior.
The new one came out and you feel bad this is old.
Yes.
Okay, don't do this with wives, okay? Okay, okay, just a joke, right? So no, okay. If you like something, you can clap, no issues, right? No, I'm just joking, right? No, why I'm saying that is that can work in future. So what's happening is you have something very important in your life, suddenly something new comes, you're very easily moved to that new. So that can happen in humans also if you still have this behavior. So what you got to find out is that when something new comes, don't go to this new, compare your old with this new. Does it still satisfy my need? Does it still have the same app? Right? Now does it, like for example, iPhone. Your iPhone?
Yes.
Okay, your iPhone. So the new iPhone comes, there's so much of branding, so much of thing. Go test the new iPhone and your iPhone and see what's the difference. The operating system is the same, right? That gets free updated. So actually, a little more dumb to actually go and buy something new just because the size is different, right? So get, again, as you told, you're living in the virtual world. Come to the reality of life, which means that why I need a mobile? Is it because to show off? Then again, it's a problem, right? Is it because to say that I have this new one? It's a show off. Now think you're living alone in an island. Old mobile, new mobile, which mobile? The mobile which works you will keep. Doesn't mean it's new also. Right now you have this 5G mobile. Are you going to go and buy the 5G mobile? That is new, buy. Right? So you know 5G mobile is not working in India right now. So there's no use of buying it. You know the reality there. Right? So that's why you're not buying it. Here it's new, it's working, 4G will work, everything is fine, so I can. And the other thing is, maybe you have a lot of money also. No money? Okay. So some people are there who have a lot of money, okay, I need everyday new. Right? What you got to do is, if you want everything new, be more valuable so that you can buy this new. Don't kill this new attitude. It's good. You want to have the latest and the greatest. That's fine. But then have the salary to back it up also. Right? For me, every year I get a new mobile. Because that's where I work, my company gives me that. Right? So get a job such that you get every day new mobile. Every year you get new mobiles. Right? So come to the reality. The more you fly on this virtual world, it's just marketing driven. It is just these big businesses trying to pitch you for a small thing. Right? And generally, if you look at it, technology with mobiles is limited now. Right? The change is either the size, or they'll put additional 1 camera or additional other 2 cameras, and then you work around it. Right? But then this new speed in the mobile is going to make me more productive. Go ahead, buy a new mobile. But if it's not making productive the same, you're only, why a person needs an iPhone when he's just going to talk on phone? That's the reality. Phone, you just need a basic keypad phone to talk. So find out why you really, Nokia. You just need a Nokia to talk. But no, iPhone I will keep just for talking. That is stupidity. That is marketing. That is show off. So don't get to that level. Did I answer the question? Okay, go ahead.